What is good, YouTube people? This is the 30th episode of my daily vlogs. If you guys are new to the channel, go check out all the other episodes. But guys, today I want to talk about how you can make 100x on these altcoins during this bull run and overall for your portfolio. Going into what happened pretty much this weekend and pretty much on Friday, I pretty much bought a few coins, got a little bit of Brett as well as Hash AI. Brett is pretty much a meme coin. Hash AI is an AI coin that I'm invested in. I'm honestly just taking advantage of these opportunities that are pretty much being presented right now. Overall, everything is just trading sideways. A lot of people have different emotions on what you should be doing right now. Some people think you should be liquid, others think you should be investing in the projects that have dumped so far, but it all varies just on pretty much how you feel on the markets and pretty much your perspective with these cycles. Crypto Twitter has been more insightful than pretty much hype driven and everything. People are just talking about how right now it's just pretty much a time for accumulation, pretty much opportunity to just get in if you haven't got in. And a lot of other people talk about what you need to be focused on currently right now. There's a ton of different things going on in the space and as well as pretty much in the markets, as well as in other pretty much markets due to pretty much global events taking place in the world. So right now there's a lot of different moving parts and crypto is pretty much just trading sideways, but there's a whole bunch of opportunity. And while all this is going on, guys, there's still a ton of money being made in the space through multiple different coins. Just over the weekend there was a coin that got rugged that was a meme coin, and everyone that got rugged pretty much took it very seriously and the community got brought together and it overall did like a 600x. And that's the kind of things I'm talking about, guys. Meme coins can do stupid things and other coins as well, especially during something like a bull run like what we're going through right now when everything is pretty much on the brink. If you're investing in the right projects and you're overall keeping up with what's going on in the space and the narratives around what you're investing in, you're going to be okay and you're gonna be able to make some good money. If you're not keeping up with what's going on in the space, the good opportunities and the good buys, you're going to miss out on that 100x opportunity. So with all that being said, how can you make 100x on your altcoins this bull run and overall for your portfolio? I broke it up into 3 steps, especially if you're a beginner just like me getting started, you know, funneling your investments into these crypto coins. Stick to these 3 things. 1, you need to invest in actual degen coins that can make you some crazy gains. I talked to a few of my friends and a lot of them are investing in bigger coins like, you know, Solana, Ethereum, Shiba, Doge, and these are good coins that can, you know, do, you know, 2 to 5, maybe even a 10x, but they're not crazy because they're large cap coins. Where you can make the stupid gains, guys, is on the lower caps, the meme coins, the gaming coins, the AI coins, all the crazy coins where you can pretty much see that 20 to 50 to 100x potential. So if you're trying to make that 100x, the first step is to make sure your portfolio is filled with coins that can actually have the potential to do that 50 to 100x. 2, guys, keep up with the narratives in the coins that you're investing in. Some of these coins are pretty much going to be here for long-term infrastructure, especially a lot of the AI coins that I'm investing in, but there's also meme coins that pretty much aren't long-term holds. You're going to hold them for a little bit and you're going to dump them on somebody. And that's just how it works. If you're not keeping up with what everyone's talking about, what people are purchasing, you know, the overall news and sentiment around the coin you're investing in, you're not going to know when the best time to sell is, and more likely you're going to be exit liquidity for someone who is keeping up with what they're doing. So 2, make sure you're keeping up with the narratives and the coins that you're actually investing in. 3, guys, which I think is the most important that everybody does not do, is hold. Hold as long as possibly as you can. I'm not saying diamond hand by all means. I'm a beginner. This is not financial advice. I need to say that multiple different times. But guys, whoever holds the longest and is right there, right at the brink, you know, and stays right to the end and sells is gonna make the most stupid amounts of money. A lot of different people, a lot of different investors have different methods on how to pretty much make money. A lot of people think you should be taking profits as you're progressively getting to the top of all-time highs, like for Bitcoin. But if you pretty much let your money sit there instead of selling multiple different times, that money is going to continuously compound and compound and compound, and you're going to be able to reach that 50 to 100x faster than someone that is selling multiple different things. So it all varies depending on what you're investing in, but the longer that you hold, especially with a lot of these coins, the more money you can make. Right now with my plays, guys, I have not sold anything. I have strong conviction with the things that I'm investing in, and at the end of the day, we're going to see how all this pans out. But whoever's holding and whoever has the strongest commitment with these coins is gonna make the most money. And on top of that, the more money you have, the more money you're gonna make. A 10x on $100 and $1,000 is the same 10x. The only difference is the figures are different because someone has more money than the other. But overall, guys, that's how you can pretty much make that 100x in this bull run. That's my plan. I actually have some crazy figures that I actually want to run by you in the second half of this video. Talk about the coins that I'm currently invested in, as well as the potential that they have. Overall, if you want to see that 100x, guys, you got to keep those 3 principles in mind. 1, you need to have a degen portfolio that can actually make the gains that you want, that 10, 20, 50 to 100x potential. That's going to be in the meme coins, the gaming coins, the AI coins, and much more. 2, keep up with the coins and the narratives that you're investing in. If you're not keeping up with everything in the space and what everyone's talking about, you're gonna miss your slot, and more than likely you're gonna be exit liquidity for someone who is paying attention. And 3, of course, guys, hold on for dear life for as long as you can. Now, I'm not saying diamond hand, not financial advice, but whoever holds on longer is gonna get the most compound on their investment, and that's kind of the biggest thing that matters. The compounding is the biggest thing where people make the most money. So if you're willing to hang it out and hack it out, you're gonna be able to make a ton more money than the people that aren't. All right, guys, I gotta go ahead and eat my tuna. I'm currently on break at lunch. Today's been kind of a really chill day. It's pretty sunny and hot. I'm back in my Miata. We fixed the exhaust. It busted, but we fixed it this weekend, so dope, back at it. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my lunch. I want to talk about all the coins I'm invested in, as well as the X potential on these, so that you can see pretty much that 100x that I'm hopefully planning on seeing. But overall, guys, we'll get into that on the second half of this video. Gotta eat this lunch, and yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get out of work. What's up, guys? We're back at the Casa. So I want to talk about the coins and pretty much the potential that they have to explode, and hopefully the 100x that I hope to see out of my portfolio. But let's jump into it. I got the price points of the specific coins, as well as the price points everyone says these coins are going to hit. So let's jump into it. So at the top of my list is Superverse, which is my safest bet. This is a gaming company from Elio Trades, as well as with Alex Becker. They've already proven to do some great things in the space. They actually reached around like $4 to $5 last bull run. So I honestly think this coin is going to get between $6 to $10 and have around like 7,000 shares, so you can do the math on that one. Hash AI is going to be the next coin I'm going to get into, which is an AI coin, new company, completely fresh. I'm hoping that this coin can get anywhere from, you know, $1 to $10. Right now, AI coins are so fresh, we honestly don't know the full potential of what these coins can do. So right now, I'm pretty much holding off, wanting to see exactly what it can do. I have a lot of shares, around 700,000, so I'm hoping it can get to, you know, around that $5 to $10 range. You can do the math on that one. Pretty freaking crazy. Next one, guys, would be Gala, which is a gaming company. They actually been here since the last bull run as well. Pretty much have some high hopes of them reaching like $5 to $10. Crazy explosiveness. We're hoping we can see it. They've already proven themselves last bull run, and they're doing some great things in the market today. Condex, guys, another AI coin that I'm in. It's currently sitting at like 4 cents as well. This coin, everyone has projected to do anywhere from like $1 to $4, but these are AI coins. So like how I said, they're fresh, don't have too much of a track record. I honestly pretty much have some high hopes that they can do some crazy stuff. Destra, guys. Destra is another AI coin that I'm in. It's currently sitting at like 27 cents. This one, everyone has the price variables a little bit higher because this is kind of a more, you know, structured, proven company. Even though it's still a fresh AI startup, everyone has it projected to hit anywhere from $3 to $6, and they say that that's conservative. So I'm hoping it can hit, you know, that $6 upwards. This one I have lower shares, but I'm still hoping we can get some good gains out of it. Alright, guys, and last on the list is Brett. Brett is the only meme coin that I am currently in. I pretty much have been upping my positions because they have been getting flooded by a whole bunch of people in the market, and it's caused them to have a slight dip. But overall, meme coins, guys, can do crazy things. I'm talking 100 to 700 to 1,000 X's. So this coin I have around like 10,000 shares in. I'm hoping it can, you know, get to at least $1 to $2, which honestly, guys, I think it can blow past that super easily. I just never seen a meme coin super expensive. So if you guys ever seen that, let me know. I'm honestly pumped to see exactly how that goes. But yeah, guys, those are pretty much all the coins that I'm currently into. If all these coins yield me anywhere from a 10 to 20x each, I should be able to hit over that 100x on my portfolio. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, or pretty much any, you know, specific things you guys want to tell me on what I'm investing in, if you don't think this is gonna happen for me, if you do think it's gonna happen for me, overall I want to hear everyone's thoughts. This is just me documenting my journey, as well as pretty much showing everyone as a beginner how you could get started. So yeah, guys, I pretty much just wanted to talk about the investment, as well as how I think you can pretty much reach that 100x this bull run. This is all my thoughts, my opinion, so take all this with a grain of salt, but I really appreciate it, guys. Questions, suggestions, anything else, drop it down below, and I'll catch you guys for tomorrow's episode. Peace.